Using Rave app on your phone. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Rave app on your mobile phone. So let's get started. First, you have to be at your Rave app right here. So if I open it up, it will first want me to log in. So you just have to log in or you have to create an account. After creating an account, what you will see at first page is a public libraries or public pages. Here are people watching the YouTube videos which you can join for free, so you just have to go to any of that. If you want to have a chit chat with these guys, now suppose if you want to watch it with your friends, for that you have to tap on the plus icon in the bottom of the menu. Now after it you just have to add one of your friend, and now if you want to buy, tell you one thing before begin. Suppose if you are thinking you will be able to watch Netflix right here from Rave, so you won't be able to do that. What you have to do is you have to sign into your Netflix account. After signing it up, you will be able to invite people or your friends through it. That's all. That's how you will be able to use Rave app on your mobile phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.